Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, X Twitter dark mode option not showing problem. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're having problems with X here and you can't access or use the dark mode inside X, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, the thing with X here, or previously known as Twitter, well, settings are actually updated. Now, this actually applies to most apps right now. So typically, in order for you to use dark mode inside Twitter, you need to change the actual team inside your phone. Now, the app or X itself uses the current mode that you are. If you're in light mode or in dark mode, the app would adapt to that. So in this case, how do you update your account or your phone here? So you want to go and just open up your settings here, and you want to go and scroll down a bit here, look for display and brightness, and inside here you should see the option that says light mode and dark mode. So you want to go and click on dark mode, and this will switch your phone into dark mode. And once you revisit X here, let's go revisit X, you should now see it in dark mode. Now, this is what X currently uses. So currently, this is the only way for you to use dark mode inside the app. By the way, if I'm not mistaken, if you're using the desktop version, or if you're using like X in your browser, in your computer, well, you'll still have the option to change or use dark mode. But then again, for the app automatically adapts to whatever team you're currently running on inside your phone. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button, and watch our next video.